How to select English language in Duolingo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can select English language on Duolingo. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First, head over to your Duolingo. After you head over to it, you will see two options, that is sign in or get started. So we'll simply tap on get started. After you tap on it, now you will need to go through the setting up process. So just go through it. So right here under for English speakers, we will not be doing anything. We'll scroll down and we'll ignore this section as all. Now on the bottom you will see more option. Tap on more. Now here you will see for different language speakers. So simply scroll down till you find English. Now whichever language you understand, you can go to that languages section and then simply tap on English. So I'll just go to the Dutch one and tap on English and continue. Now as it says right here, this will change the app's interface to Dutch. So I'll simply do that, and after waiting for a bit and after building its course by Duolingo, now as you can see, now your basically Duolingo is on English. Now if you set this up completely, you'll notice that your Duolingo is now working as English and you can learn English from Duolingo. And that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned